You've already seen that we can use single quotes and double quotes to represent strings. And now I want to show you a third string format, which is triple quoted strings. Triple quoted strings are able to span multiple lines. For example, let's print a triple quoted string with how on the first line, R on the second, and U on the third line. So that looks like this, one word per line. I'm going to use the same string, only rather than printing it, I'll store it in a variable. And when we examine the contents of variable s, it looks a lot different from what we inputted. First of all, it doesn't have triple quotes anymore, it has single quotes. And secondly, in the places where I had hit the enter key or the return key, we see this \n in two places. That character is called the new line character, and it's a special character in Python. The / symbol is the escape character, and this combination of / and n is the escape sequence new line. There are several other special characters. For example, let's print the numbers 3, 4, and 5 separated by tabs. So we use 3, and then for the tab symbol, we use the escape sequence \t, 4, \t, and 5. So 3, tab, 4, tab, 5. And that's what it looks like. In addition to new line and tab, there are several other escape sequences. A couple that will be useful for us are the escape sequence \\, which we use whenever we want to print a single backslash or include a single backslash in a string. That's because the / character is the escape character, and when we use it on its own, we get an error message because it expects that something follows it. Another useful sequence is the single quote sequence for when we want to include a single quote within our string. For example, if I want to say don't, then I use \quote for the place where I'd like the single quote to occur. And similarly, when I want to use quotation marks, double quotation marks in a string, I can use the escape sequence / double quotes. So imagine that we want to do this. Let me say he says, and I use / double quotes to indicate that I would like to use the double quote in the string.